Okay, here at Clearwater Beach Marina, just checking things out. Looks like all the boats are in good shape. So far, I just started. I'm sure we're fine. Paul videoed this a little bit the other day. We're on the other side of the parking lot now. And there is Krabby's that does, well, I was going to say they don't look open, but there's a guy at the bar there. Yeah, they're open. Cool. Okay, they're closed at the moment. Yeah, still a lot of people closed here. Whew, I'll tell you what, the day started cool, but it is hot out here now. Yeah, I don't think you're getting a boat ride today from the looks of things here. Somebody's boat is beeping. They're cleaning this place up. I forget what the upstairs is called. But they probably got wind-blown sand all over them too. Huh. Yeah, they're wiping down all their surfaces. The question is, are they open? And it looks like they're not open. Okay. Thanks, Michelle. Yeah, it's nice out here. Somebody's going out. You heading out today?
Pardon?
You going out?
Oh,
No?
no. We haven't even had power or water.
Oh, alright.
It'll be tomorrow or the next day.
Okay, well, there's the answer to why no one's going out. Now, they say they don't have water. I don't know why that is, because everybody else has water, but I understand the electric power. Alright, we will check out the bait house and then end this video off. After this video, I'm going to South Beach. I got some requests to film things down by the Sand Key Bridge. Check out a name I've known for years and can't think of right now. Big Bar Shepherds. But Shepherds Facebook their own update, but I'll go ahead and pop in there. Somebody man in the house, but who knows if they're going out today. You going out today?
Not quite.
Not quite. Okay. I don't think I'll ask that question again. The you're out of your mind thing in their voice makes me not want to ask that a third time. How you doing? Some big ropes. I have no idea if the Clearwater Ferry is running today. This is where they come in and out of. They're down here. I just needed to get to work this morning early, so I took a car, and I didn't know if they were running, so I didn't want to be standing on a dock alone with nobody coming to get me. But I would imagine they'll be up tomorrow, maybe, if they're not already up today. but I want to cook so bad. All right, I score. Okay, bait house is open. Something's floating in the bay there. Looks like they're oh yeah, their dock got a little bit torn up. That's too bad. All right, let's see if they're at least selling Coke cans, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, next stop, South Beach.